Do the headlight lenses on your vehicle look like this, or are they worse? Not only does this faded condition reduce the light when needed, which could become a safety issue, but let's just face it, it looks bad. What if someone could restore them to a like-new finish in about an hour and a half? Guarantee this for a full year? And we come to you. Would you be interested? Hi, this is Mark with Clarity Headlight Restoration. We offer a mobile headlight restoration service out of Long Beach, California. After years in the automotive repair industry, I discovered that a large number of vehicles were coming in for service with faded headlight lenses, and they did not offer a restoration service. After years of experimenting, I found that this system offers the most effective way to clean, restore, and protect faded headlight lenses. And I'm so confident in this system that we offer a full 1-year warranty. This SUV has faded headlights, and the owner had me perform a restoration. The clear coat has deteriorated and formed a crust that restricts the amount of light when headlights are needed. First, I clean and prep the lens. Then I use a flexible sanding block with a 2000 grit sandpaper, which was specifically designed for headlights to remove the oxidized material that has blocked the lens. Some people use a heavier grit sandpaper to save time, but that leaves deep ridges that have to be sanded away. But this then makes the lens thinner. By taking more time, this lessens the amount of plastic I remove. Then I switch to a 3000 grit sandpaper to remove the ridges, completing the 25-minute wet sanding process. The milky residue you see is from the sanding process and is easily cleaned. Now begins the polishing process using a light rubbing compound that smooths out any remaining ridges. After 2 applications of this compound, I switch to a polishing compound to complete the process. The clear coat protectant is then applied, and after the 20-minute cure cycle, your headlights have been successfully restored. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call, and thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe.